Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in Las Vegas. We are at Harrah's. This is actually my first time staying at Harrah's, although I've been through the property many times and have covered most of the Caesars properties in Las Vegas. I wanted to give you a peek at this room. It is a Mountain Deluxe Cabana room. It's got the 2 double beds and a pool view with a really cool cabana area that I'll show you in a minute, but really kind of a unique little property. This particular room is in the mountain tower. You go up 1 floor and then it is on the ground floor of the pool level area. So kind of unique, feels really clean. I like the layout of these rooms. The hotel itself is in a great location right on the strip. You're right in the middle of all the action. You're close to the Link, the Flamingo. A little bit further down, you've got the Horseshoe, Paris. The other direction, you've got great properties as well. So kind of a lot to do in this general area. So a great place to stay for those reasons. And then this is also a really affordable property. One thing that I did notice is that I don't think there's a refrigerator in these rooms, which surprised me a little bit. But other than that, really great layout, very clean. As you can see, lots of space, lots of bright light, nice big shower area here. But overall, really a nice property, and I do like the Mountain Tower rooms, especially this layout. And it does, again, it seems clean. It doesn't seem as old as I expected that it might. Here is a peek out at the cabana area at night. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but it's also January here. So not the ideal time to have a cabana room. The pool is closed, as you can see, but this might give you an idea of how cool this room could be in the summer months when the pool is open, because actually the weather's great right now. You could easily get away with a t-shirt and a jacket. It's not always that way in January here, but it is really nice right now. So you could still come out and sit out here and have a few drinks or whatnot. It is really nice out here, just nothing open in the pool area as far as service or swimming and whatnot. But again, I think this is a great option if you're looking for something that is affordable in a great location on the strip with lots of things to do in and around the area. Nice little rooms. I like the Mountain Deluxe option, and especially these cabana rooms. We will take a look at that during the day here for you, so you can kind of see what that's like. Again, it's January here, so not a whole lot going on, but even so, it was kind of nice to just be able to sit out here, get some sunshine. And as you can see, if you use your imagination, this is a really great option during the busy season, because this is just such a fun area and location. So there you go. There is a look at the Mountain Deluxe Cabana room here at Harrah's in Las Vegas. As you can see, beautiful outdoor area here, and these rooms are pretty highly requested during the summer months, but this will give you a peek at what it looks like so that you can decide if this might be right for you. Don't forget, I have so many Las Vegas property videos, like literally so many, and I'm always happy to help. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.